Genetic resources and their nature. Plant genetic resources, plant genetic utilization. Genetic resources utilization and conservation, study of genetics of qualitative and quantitative characters. What do you mean by qualitative traits or characters? And polygenes. Those characters which are governed by several or multiple genes are called as quantitative characters. These genes which control the action of quantitative characters are called as polygenes. So polygenes or multiple genes can control the phenotypes of quantitative characters. Give an example of quantitative trait, multiple factor hypothesis. Multiple factor hypothesis is included under quantitative trait. Who first postulated or discovered the idea of multiple factor hypothesis and in which year? Scientist Yule postulated or discovered the concept of multiple factor hypothesis first in 1906. Who first gave experimental evidence on multiple factor hypothesis and in which year? Scientist Nielsen Ale. Scientist Nielsen Ale first gave experimental evidence on multiple factor hypothesis and in 1908. Multiple factor hypothesis. Multiple genes control only one character, that is in case we are assuming that is seed color. Capital R1, small r, capital R2 genes control dark red seed color. Small r1, small r2 control white seed color. A dihybrid cross R1, R2, R1, R1, R2, R2, small r1, R1, R2, R2, dark red, white. Small r1, capital R2, small r1, small r2, homozygotes. Positive alleles, parents, dominant alleles, recessive alleles, negative alleles. F1, capital R1, small r1, capital R2, small r2, F1 hybrid. Heterozygote, seed color is medium red in F2. Selfing in F2, intermediate between both capital R1, capital R2, small r1, small r2, homozygotes. This is the Punnett square. DR dark red seed color, MDR medium dark red, MR medium red, LR light red and W white. 5 types of phenotypes of seed colors. Both 4 alleles should be dominant. R1, R2 genes. DR means R1, R2, R2. MDR, at least one allele should be R1 among the 4 alleles. At least one allele should be capital R1. At least one allele should be capital R2 in 4 alleles. 2 alleles should be dominant. Capital R1 and capital R2 must. For MR, medium red color, at least 2 alleles should be dominant. R1 or R2. Either R1 or R2 should be dominant. Means it can be capital R1, small r1, capital R2, small r2, or capital R1, small r1, capital R1, small r2, R1 alleles, 2 R1 alleles, and here small r1, capital R2, 2 R2 alleles are dominant in case of medium red. 2 R1 or 2 R2. Light red, at least one dominant allele should be present, like small r1, capital R2, small r2, or capital R1, small r1, small r2, small r2, capital R1, capital R2. W only should have 4 recessive alleles, like small r1, small r1, small r2, small r2, 4 recessive alleles. Positive alleles are capital, denoted by only capital letters, express the seed color, and negative alleles are small, denoted by only small letters, genes don't produce any color. 2 positive alleles of colored gene capital R1 produce 2 times more red seed color intensity than the red color intensity produced by one single positive allele capital R1, small r1. So those seeds which have 2 capital R1 alleles can produce dark red seed color, and this seed color capital R1, small r1 which have only one dominant gene can produce medium or light red seed color. Same in case of R2, capital R2 and small r2. Then intensity of seeds color depends on number of positive alleles of all the colored genes. Colored genes, those genes which affect the seed color. 2 positive alleles of one single colored genes capital R1 are additive in nature, and like that 2 positive alleles of different colored genes capital R2, small r2 are also additive in nature. Additive genes are those genes which code for or control same trait and their effects work together on the phenotype. Additive genes are those genes which code for or control same trait and their effects work together on the phenotype. Each or one positive allele, capital R1 or capital R2, has a small, equal or almost equal effects on seed color. These positive alleles are the reasons of multiple factor hypothesis of seed color, and only these alleles control the quantitative seed color character. Each or only positive allele, capital R1 or capital R2, has a small, equal or almost equal effects on seed color. These positive alleles are the reasons of multiple factor hypothesis of seed color, and only these alleles control the quantitative seed color character. So the phenotypic ratio in the seed colors, dark green is to medium dark red is to medium dark red is to medium red is to light red is to white. 1:4 is to 6 is to 4 is to 1. In F2, 15:1 ratio of seed color. Seed color is governed by two types of gene. So F1 phenotypic ratio 1:4 is to 6 is to 4 is to 1, and in F2 phenotypic ratio 15:1. Seed color is governed by two genes. First genes is the parents R1 R1 R2 R2 capital. Second gene parents small r1 r1 small r2 r2. What do you mean by qualitative traits and oligogenes? Those characters which are governed by only one or few genes are called as qualitative traits. Those genes which control the qualitative characters are called oligogenes, and these genes have broad effects on phenotypes of organisms. Write an example of qualitative traits. Mendel's law of segregation. We have known that quantitative traits, example of quantitative trait is multiple factor hypothesis, and now we are knowing that the example of qualitative trait is Mendel's law of segregation. Example, we can explain the Mendel's laws of segregation by an example of seed shape. Parents capital R round seed shape, smaller wrinkled. Gametes capital R smaller, F1 hybrid capital R smaller, don't contaminate each other, separate in their original form capital R and smaller gametes, and produce two different types of gametes. This is the Punnett square. Capital R smaller is the hybrid and round seed shape. Phenotypic ratio 3:1, 3 round seeds and 1 wrinkled seeds. Genotypic ratio capital R is to 2 smaller, 1 capital R is to 2 capital R smaller, and 1 smaller 1:2:1. Describe Mendel's law of segregation. Two alleles of one gene of F1 generation don't contaminate each other. They separate and they pass on to different gametes in their original form, and they produce two different types of gametes in equal proportion. Seven pairs of different characters chosen by Mendel from pea plants for his experiments. Each character has two forms. First form is dominant, second form is recessive. Characters are 7 types of characters. Flower color, dominant form is purple, recessive form is white. Flower position, dominant form is axial, recessive form is terminal. Seed color, dominant form is yellow, recessive form is green. Seed shape, dominant form is round and recessive form is wrinkled. Pod shape, dominant form is inflated and recessive form is constricted. Pod color, dominant form is green, recessive form is yellow. And stem length, finally the stem length, dominant form is tall and recessive form is dwarf. In F1 hybrid, all forms of plant characters are dominant. What do you mean by dominant alleles? These are those alleles which express its phenotypic character and mask the expression of other allele associated with it are called as dominant alleles. Dominant alleles express the dominance. What do you mean by recessive alleles? Those alleles which can't express themselves in the presence of dominant alleles and are masked by the expression of dominant alleles are called as recessive alleles. Distinguish between quantitative and qualitative characters. Then genetic variation. Genetic variation was first classified by Fisher in 1918. 3 types of genetic variants. Epistatic variants. According to Fisher, 1918, 3 types of genetic variants. Epistatic variants. Epistatic variants are 3 types. Additive into additive, additive into dominant, dominant into dominant. Additive variants, additive gene action, GCA or general combining ability or breeding value of genotypes. Dominance variants, measure of dominance gene action associated with additive variance is associated with homozygosity, and dominance variance is associated with heterozygosity. Fixable, not fixable. Transgressive segregation, it is the measure of SCA or specific combining ability in diallele or A-into tanalysis. Not fixable, heterosis is formed. So according to Fisher first classified the genetic variants. According to Fisher in 1918, 3 types of variants, genetic variants are there. First is epistatic variants, that is 3 types. Additive into additive, additive into dominance, and dominance into dominance. Additive variance is the measure of additive gene action. Dominance variance is the measure of dominance gene action. Additive variance controls GC or general combining ability or breeding value of the genotypes. And dominance variance is the measure of SC or specific combining ability in the di-allele or L-into tanalysis. Additive variance is associated with homozygosity. Dominance variance is associated with heterozygosity. Transgressive segregation is common in additive variance, and dominance variance shows heterosis. Additive variance shows transgressive segregation and dominance variance shows heterosis. Additive variance is fixable, dominance variance is not fixable or non-fixable. Second classification by Wright in 1935, additive variance and non-additive variance. And third classification by Mathur in 1949, fixable variance and non-fixable variance. So according to Fisher 1918, three types of variance: genetic variance, epistatic, additive and dominance. According to Wright 1935, second classification, additive variance, non-additive variance. According to Mathur, the third and last classification in 1949, fixable variance and non-fixable variance. Three components of variance: additive variance, dominance variance and epistatic variance. According to Fisher, three components: additive, dominance, epistasis. Association of gene action with other genetic estimates. Genetic estimates, gene action and expected response. Heterosis, additive response is low, non-additive response is high. Heritability, additive expression is high, non-additive expression is low. Genetic advance, as additive expression is high, non-additive expression is low. Response to selection, additive response is high, non-additive response is low. GCA, general combining ability, additive response is high, non-additive response is low. SC or specific combining ability, additive response is low, non-additive response is high. Degree of dominance, additive response nil, dominance response high. Degree of dominance. Heterosis, heritability, genetic advance and response to selection are high in case of additive and low in case of non-additive. Implications in plant breeding: selection of parents, choice of breeding procedures and estimation of breeding genetic parameters. Selection of parents, choice of breeding procedures and estimation of genetic parameters. Two types of heritability are there: broad sense heritability and narrow sense heritability. Broad sense heritability is estimated from total variance. Narrow sense heritability is estimated for additive variance. Broad sense heritability is the parental and segregating material. Narrow sense heritability is followed in crosses have to be made in definite fashion. Selection from homozygous line, selection from segregating materials. Two types of heritability: broad sense heritability and narrow sense heritability. Estimated from total variance, estimated from additive variance. Parental and segregating materials, crosses have to be made in definite fashion. Selection from homozygous line, selection from segregating materials. Four factors that affect the heritability: type of genetic material, sapling method, conduct of experiment, method of calculation. So four factors that affect the heritability: types of genetic material, sapling method, conduct of experiment and method of calculation. Three types of genetic advance: genetic variability, heritability and selection intensity. So how many types of genetic advance are there? Three types of genetic action: genetic variability, heritability, selection intensity. Genetic variability, heritability and selection intensity. Four types of factors that affect the heritability, and three components of variation. Three components of variation: additive, dominance, epistasis. Four factors that affect the heritability, and three types of genetic advance: genetic variability, heritability and selection intensity. Heritability and genetic advance, type of selection. Heritability increase, genetic advance increase, type of selection is effective selection. Heritability increase, genetic advance reduce, type of selection not effective. Heritability reduce, genetic advance increase, effective selection. Heritability reduce, genetic advance reduce, not effective selection. Maintenance of breeding records and data collection by accession register. Maintenance of records and data collection by accession register. This accession register contains details of seeds or planting materials, receipt date, source, number assigned at the receiving unit, short description of planting material, to whom sent for evaluation or receiver, feedback informations about genotypes and maintenance. So breeding records and data collections are maintained in which type of item? Breeding records and data collections are recorded at accession register. Accession register. Standard form of a field notebook for field trial for generation study. Two types of field notebooks are there. Field trial and generation study. Two types of genetic field notebooks, standard form of field notebooks, field trial and generation study. Domestication.